we're fast forwarding 2 to 3 years from now. We've got 2028 rolling out there, the program. In the software yard, what do I see out there? I thought it was really cool, by the way, what Christina was pointing out with that API like clearinghouse. Am I going to see some barns out there, or what's the deal in the software yard? What are we going to see?
It'll be a whole range of animals. It'd be great. But no, the important thing that I'm seeing already in this year, I mean, it's only been a couple months, right? But what I'm seeing as I'm working across the aisles of our organization, the Coast Guard has 11 missions, so we have tons of different perspectives out there on how we should leverage the software, right? It's really unlocking the imagination and innovation. There's clusters of people who have been wishing for capability that they could use their data, they can process it, and they can do their job more efficiently. They're rising up, right? And before, the answer was, before we were, established in our cloud environment, the answer was, well, maybe you can get a high performance laptop and maybe crunch that under your desk somewhere or whatever, right? We just can't service that kind of need. And now the answer is, I'm going to store your data in a cloud storage environment. I'm going to give you as much compute as you need with GPU horsepower, and you're going to get it done in minutes or in hours, depending on how fast you can code or use AI assistance, right? And that answer is completely changing how people are looking at their problem statements. So 2 to 3 years from now, what I'm seeing is it's not just delivering apps, right? It's delivering an ecosystem where you can grow innovation, you can do work faster and more efficiently. You're leveraging your data. The apps are like that's the icing on the cake, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the sponge, right, the actual cake itself is really what we're after. And the software yard will enable all layers of that. But really, the people doing that work are the people who have the problem, right? They have the data, they have the problem, they can answer their problem. So self-service, in my mind, is, and AI is unlocking this, right? Is the real panacea here, but in a governed and controlled way. Right. So
Absolutely,
there's
with some
definitely a
boundaries
balance
around it.
there, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's absolutely a balance. So governance and compliance and freedom of movement, we got to find that nice, happy harmony. And I think it's a sliding scale, depending on what you're working on. But if you're able to achieve that, I think that would be a huge win for the Coast Guard, huge win for DOW and the government at large. And I'd like to make a plug for working with leaders in cloud across the government. The DOW has a great program, which I'm hoping I can attend, is the Cloud Way Forward briefing. It's that they have it every week, and there's so much great information that is passed there. And I love the community for cloud and data, and I'm happy to be a part of it still.